Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change window display language in Windows 11. Okay, now let's start. Go to setting, click on time and language. Go to language and region. Add prefer language. Add language. Select your language that you want to change and click on next. Add the language preference. Check on set as my window display language and click install. Please wait while the language finish install link. This could take a few minutes. Wait until download and install language. Please connect your internet. Yes, the language installed already. Now select language that you want to display, window display language. I choose Hindi and sign out. Window need to sign you out in order to apply your new display language. Click on sign out. Okay, click sign in. But some applications may be default their language. For example, Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, it still keep regional language. But some tool change to Hindi. And everything in tool change to Hindi language. Window display language. Okay, this is how to change window display language in Windows 11. Okay, goodbye.